What's going on, everybody? Angry Sarge. I am here to show you something that I've been waiting for a little bit, and it was definitely worth the wait. This is a package from Alpha Omega Kydex. It's 2 holsters. We're working on something together, so we're trying to figure out what's going to work and what's not going to work, and we'll see how this goes. One I'm definitely going to EDC carry. The other one was just for fun and to show off a product as well. So here we go. Let's see what we got. I did pre-open it so I could turn it and not show my address, just a heads up. So got a mag carrier in multicam black. This is for one pistol. Here's another pistol up here. And here's another one in tiger stripe, which is really cool. I wanted to do something different for my EDC, so this is what I came up with. Mag carrier as well. And then let's see what else we got in the bag. We got a card. And his new sticker, the pineapple grenade. So pretty cool. Thanks, Eric. I appreciate you, man. Always. But I wanted to show you these holsters as well. So the first one, this one is for the SAR9 SOCOM with a TLR1, and it has a Velcro back so I can throw it in a bag, which I'll be doing a video on those as well. Maybe I'll attach it to all this and just do one big video, because it just makes sense, right? So we'll see. But yep, SAR9 SOCOM, mag carrier, and then we have the tiger stripe holster. This is for a Glock 48 with a TLR7 sub, the Glock. Optics ready, same thing, Velcro back on all of them, so that way I can stick them in some bag options for off the body carry, which is kind of the way that I like to carry now. So pretty cool. I appreciate you, Eric, and let's take a look at maybe putting one of these in a bag, maybe both of them, and we'll talk about why I chose what I chose, and we'll go from there.